fire that's been there since last night. The dishwasher needs emptying, but those dishes are alright. There's a package by the front door I should probably bring inside, but I'm comfortable right here, and tomorrow's got more time. Tomorrow me is organized. She gets up with the sun. She handles everything I skipped, and somehow thinks it's fun. That's a tomorrow problem, and tomorrow me can cope. She's energetic, focused, and apparently full of hope. She'll unload dishes, fold those clothes, and clean up all this mess. I'd help her out tonight, but I've already done my best. There's a list of things that need me, but tomorrow me has got 'em. Tonight me's off the clock. That's a tomorrow problem. The gas light came on yesterday. I got 20 miles or so. There's something in the refrigerator I'm afraid has started to grow. There's a phone call I've been putting off, I know I need to make, and there's a form I should have filled out, but both of those can wait. Tomorrow me wakes up cheerful. She sweeps up every room. She scrubs all the toilets and has it done by noon. That's a tomorrow problem, and tomorrow me can cope. She's energetic, focused, and apparently full of hope. She can make that call, fill out that form, and clean up all this mess. I'd help her out tonight, but I've already done my best. There's a list of things that need me, but tomorrow me has got 'em. Tonight me's off the clock. That's a tomorrow problem. Then morning comes, I open my eyes, and something strange occurs. Tomorrow me is nowhere here. It's just me, but slightly worse. I look around at all the things that yesterday me ignored, and make a wise executive choice to put them off once more. That's a tomorrow problem, and tomorrow me can't cope. She's energetic, focused, and apparently full of hope. She'll get the gas and make that call. She'll fold the clothes and more. She'll fill that form, unload those dishes, maybe even mop the floor. And if tomorrow gets here and I still don't wanna solve 'em, well, lucky me, there's always another tomorrow problem. I'll definitely do it tomorrow, probably, unless I'm tired. Then that sounds like another tomorrow problem.